Welcome to the manual channel. My name is Dan Gall and I'm here with the Bartesian Premium Cocktail Maker. I'm super excited to try this out, but I'm diving in with no knowledge, experiencing this with you. Let's unbox it, get it set up, and try a cocktail. Let's go. Oh, a shaker. That looks pretty fancy. All the pods, look at how they look. Let's see, there is low gin, whiskey sour, margarita, that's gonna be the one I wanna try. Espresso martini, I know that would be super popular. Cosmopolitan, old fashioned, rum breeze, and the lemon drop. And this is actually Uptown Rocks. That's a gin cocktail. Let's set it up. All right, I'm only gonna fill up the tequila because I'm gonna make one drink, and that's the margarita. And I'm not gonna fill this up all the way. I'm just gonna fill it up partially so I don't waste it. Not that I think I would be wasting it. Well, great. Let's put the whole bottle in. There we go. I did rinse this out. Then you put it in like this. You open this up. It allows that to go down. And then you lock it in place. And let's see what it's like to make a cocktail. I'm gonna set the first juice, which will flush the system. That just runs water and flushes it through the system to make sure that it can actually pour a cocktail. It pulled water from the water reservoir in the back. Let's do a margarita. This should look very familiar. Spirit strength. I'm gonna do regular. Pulling directly from the tequila. It also doesn't mix with water because the pod is concentrated. I'm stoked. Cheers. Open the lid to remove the capsule. All right, let's see what this looks like. Pretty cool. The question is, how does it taste? Let's take a sip. Oh, that's pretty good. This would work really well, I think, as intended, which is if you don't want to mix your own cocktails, you can use this at a party and you're not having to make cocktails for everybody. Obviously, I didn't salt the rim. That's a huge mistake, but otherwise it's delicious. Regular strength tequila, I feel like it's hitting perfectly. Super easy. Made the cocktail in like what, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. I think alone, this is something to talk about when you have friends over. Thanks for watching. Check it out, Bartesian. If you like this video, come support us. Hit the like button, subscribe, make a comment below. What cocktail would you make out of this, and would you use it? Do you think it's cool or not? Let me know. Next time, we'll see ya. Nino, come try this.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
I'm glad you like it, but it's mine.